हे गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक हैं? उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। मैं तो बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं था। लास्ट 2 महीने से तबीयत अच्छी नहीं थी, तो अभी ठीक हो रहा हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा। एनीवे, आई हैव अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। Recently I had my new phone, which I was saving for I guess almost 6 months. So now I'm very happy because I have my phone with me already. So I'm gonna show it to you guys and guess कौन सा फ़ोन है वो। And the phone is tada! It's iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alhamdulillah, I got it. मैंने 2-3 दिन पहले ही लिया है, तो I'm gonna open it for you guys. As you guys can see here, it's such a lovely phone. So let's open it now. Here is the packaging. I need to keep it separate. Let's see what's in the box. That is the box. You can see on the back. Yeah. Okay. Comes like this. Here. So yeah, the phone. Let me stick it up. Yes. ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये कलर है। इनके पास डिफरेंट ऑप्शन थे कलर के, लेकिन ये वाला न्यू कलर है, तो आई रियली लाइक दिस वन। ओके, तो और क्या है इसके अलावा बॉक्स में? ये चार्जर होता है, आप ये देख लें। आई जस्ट ट्राई टू ओपन एंड पुट इट बैक। ये केबल आती है इसके साथ, और देयर आर 2 स्टिकर्स, one sticker also, Apple logo, and there's an instruction book which we don't need to see. There you can see here this one. And yeah, there is no charger in the box, so you have to buy separately this USB-C power adapter. So you have to buy separately. Since you can see there is no charger, so I'm gonna take out the charger from the box. Okay, so here is the adapter. It's pretty cool, little different than what we used to have. It works like this. I like it. It comes with 1 year warranty. So yeah, that's the charger, and that's the phone here, and that's the cable, and here is the box, and that's all. Actually, I was so confused which one to go. First I was thinking I wanna buy iPhone 11. Then I thought, okay, let's just wait a bit more. I was keep on discussing with my brother-in-law. He said, wait a bit, you can get the new one. So I waited a bit. I was a bit disappointed क्योंकि वो थोड़ा डिले हो गया था फ़ोन में। Then इस फ़ोन में ये है कि 5G है और स्टोरेज भी इनकी ज़्यादा है, तो then हम थोड़ा सा उसमें कंफ्यूज हो गए कि iPhone 12 लिया जाए कि 12 Pro or Pro Max. So then I thought like better just go for the bigger one. Right now, honestly, I feel a little how to say uncomfortable because it's quite big. For me, it's a huge, because as you guys know, iPhone 6 is a little small phone. So this is quite big. So those of you who don't like to use big phones, they can go for iPhone 12. Or they can, if they like more smaller phones, they can go for iPhone 12 mini. So with this, I have bought the casing as well. It is a transparent casing, which I'm gonna put it on my phone. So the protection is very important. I didn't buy this from the Apple shop because that was too expensive. So I just buy it from, random shop. Okay, it's quite big and heavy actually. My last phone was iPhone 6. I was using that phone for past I guess 5 years, so it's pretty heavy but pretty cool. So the screen is 6.7 inches and this one is 128 GB. So let's see how's the camera. I'm gonna take a picture. Let's see how it looks. That's good, not bad. Okay, so that's all. That was the review of my phone. Not a review, basically, it's just I just don't know, I randomly made it. So yeah, unboxing of my phone. My niece is just sitting nearby and just telling me the words, okay, say this, say that. So thank you so much. Now I'll be keep on posting more and more videos. Hope I get better. You guys can keep me in your prayers, and I'll see you soon. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So happy and excited. Today I'm gonna have my phone. Hope so, hopefully. And I'm so excited. At the same time, I'm sick. I don't know what to say. So yeah, let's see how. And I'm feeling a little shy. So bye bye.